Again, I'm is used here as I am. Good at informs someone what you excel at and are comfortable doing. Here are some examples. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at video games. I'm good at swimming. I'm good at driving. I'm good at reading. I'm good at sports. I'm good at writing. I'm good at math. I'm good at dancing. I'm good at chess.